Number 2. Shark FlexBreeze. Shark FlexBreeze redefines convenience in battery-powered fans. You'll go from room to room with this versatile fan, transforming it from a tower fan to a table fan in seconds. It's like the Swiss Army knife of fans. One of the standout features is the detachable base. Just push a button and you have a portable fan. Those small feet fold out for stability, so you can place it anywhere, whether camping or working at a desk. It's flexible enough to adapt to any location. Controls are intuitive. Buttons sit on top, but the magnetic remote steals the show. It fits perfectly into a slot on the fan's back and doesn't fall off, even when shaken. This design means you can adjust settings without getting up. Powerful airflow is another win. It sends cool blasts across a 12-foot room effortlessly. Even at lower settings, the cooling effect is notable. However, high settings might be too loud if you need a quiet environment. Shark says up to 24 hours on its first power setting. After testing, even at varied speeds, it performed robustly for hours. Misting mode adds a fun twist. Connect it to a garden hose and get a gentle spritz, like using a spray bottle. This mode is perfect for outdoor activities where a little extra cool is a big deal. What I love most? Its versatility and ease of use. From living rooms to backyards, this fan adjusts seamlessly. One downside is its noise at higher settings, but it's a small price for the performance and flexibility you gain. In conclusion, Shark FlexBreeze proves its worth in various scenarios. Check it out further and feel the breeze. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.